Hi guys, now let us talk about the sales funnel. A sales funnel has a number of stages that you can see over here. You can see the funnel like structure over here. Let me talk to you about the stages that are involved in this funnel. The first stage is the awareness stage. The second, interest stage. The third stage is the consideration stage. The fourth stage is the intent stage, and the last phase is action. We all want our customers to go as swiftly as possible from the awareness stage to the action stage. So now let us look at all these stages in a little bit detail. First of all, a customer becomes aware of your product. For example, a new mobile phone set or a new mobile phone company comes into the market. So what does it do? It runs an awareness phase so that people get to know about the mobile, about the company, all right, so that people are aware of that particular company. The second stage is the interest stage. Once the customer has seen a lot of ads of that product, of that phone, of that company, and it is hearing the company's name from different sources, the customer gets interested in that product. Okay. After the interest stage, if the company is able to convince the customer further, the customer goes to the consideration stage. In the consideration stage, the customer is considering buying your product. In this stage, the customer will consider a lot of things. The customer will compare a product with similar products. A customer will compare how he is going to buy that product. For example, how he's going to fund it, whether he's going to buy it in EMIs, whether he's going to buy in cash upfront. He's thinking about a lot of things, whether that product will suit him or not, whether the customer needs that product or not. So in this phase, the customer is in the consideration phase. After the customer is convinced in the consideration stage, the customer moves in the intent phase. You can see that this is the stage when most prospects finally reach out. That is, the customer is ready to buy. All right. And after the customer is ready to buy, the customer finally takes action and buys the product. Now, why is this sales funnel important in digital marketing? Now, let me take a scenario. Let me take an example and show it to you. For example, there is a particular mobile phone that comes into this market. Okay, there's a particular mobile company by the name of XYZ Mobile. So that this XYZ mobile company will run an awareness campaign. It will show you ads on Facebook, show you ads on YouTube, show you ads on your mobile. Wherever you go, you'll be able to see the ad on this mobile, so that you become aware of that product. Okay, so that whenever the brand name of the company is mentioned or the mobile is mentioned, you are able to instantly recognize that so and so company's name or mobile phone name is being mentioned. Okay, once the customer has seen ample of information of your mobile phone, of the mobile phone company, the customer goes into the interest phase. In this interest phase, the customer will go into Google and type the name of the company, type the name of the mobile, and research about this mobile, research about the company. Once the customer is able to find ample amount of information on the internet about the company, the customer moves on to the consideration stage. The customer will only move to the consideration stage if the customer is really willing to buy the product. Alright. In the interest phase, the customer will think about whether he can afford the product or not, whether the product suits his needs or not, all these things. When the customer is in the consideration phase, the customer may go on Google, may go on YouTube and see unboxing videos, okay, of the mobile, and the customer can go and see the reviews of this particular product. So the mobile company has to make sure that there are ample number of reviews, ample number of comparison content, and ample number of unboxing videos are available on the internet, so that people who are in the consideration phase are able to find relevant content related to the mobile phone, so that they can go into the intent phase. And once the customer will go into the intent phase, the company wants to convert this customer from the intent phase to the action phase. So what kind of an ad the company will run? It will run discount ads, buy one get one free ads, offers. Usually offer ads work in this intent phase so that the customer can move from the intent phase right to the action phase. So as a digital marketer, you need to make sure that only running ads is not important. Ample amount of content is available on the internet before the launch of a particular product so that the customer is able to move from the awareness to the interest to the consideration to the intent and finally to the action phase. If you do not have convincing content, convincing information that is discoverable on the internet, then you will have a hard time converting online sales. All right. So that's why the sales funnel is a really important part of digital marketing. You can also see that it's written here missed engagement opportunity. So it means that during the awareness, interest and consideration phase, you need to engage with the customer more and more. The engagement opportunity may come in a lot of manners. For example, you can run an event, you can run a freebie contest, you can do a lot of things on the internet so that people engage with your brand, engage with your product, and are soon able to convert from the top of the funnel to the bottom of the funnel. So I hope you understood the sales funnel and you will incorporate the strategies, the information that I've told you in this lecture in your digital marketing efforts. All right. Thank you so much.